Hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and I have a case from the case company Simtech here in front of you for my Samsung Galaxy S22. Now they do make this for the Plus and Ultra, so if you are interested in purchasing this case after watching this video, then do go down in my description and follow my Amazon affiliate links. So as of today, this case is $17.99 less a $2 off instant coupon that you can apply at checkout on Amazon. So for $15.99 with Prime shipping, this can be yours. So when it comes down to it, guys, in this video, let's go ahead and take a peek at the actual case, and then we'll put it on and we'll talk about it. So here is the case. So as you can tell, it is a camera bump cover. So it slides, you know, so like a barn door type thing there. But on the inside, it's a matte kind of black finish material that goes up against your phone. It is military standard drop protection according to the description on Amazon. Their testing was dropping it 8,000 times from 8 feet with 0 damage. So pretty bold claim, but it's a very slim profile. But I'm not seeing like any reinforced stuff on the bumpers inside, but you do see it on the outside. So just want to point that out. So let's go ahead and grab my Phantom Black S22 and let's pop this bad boy in. Pretty easy install. And there we have it. So there is the case installed. So the main attraction obviously is going to be this big part right here, right? So this big giant part kind of reminds me of the old Pixels, right? So you have this sliding door here that you are able to do it pretty easily with one hand. And as you can see there, you do, or hear there, you do get this satisfying click to let you know that it is in. There is ball bearings in here from what it says on the description to help with a smooth kind of gliding motion there. But once it's clicked in, guys, it's not going to move around. It's locked in place just fine. You do have a little bit of a chunkier cutout than I like for camera bumps on this phone, but I understand why it has to mimic the size of this here. But as you can see, you have easy access and no obstructions on your camera lenses there and the flash. It is got a very nice lip going over the camera lenses as well. It's 3.1 millimeters. So a very aggressive bump there for sure. So obviously the whole point of this case is to protect the camera lenses. So the back is this matte finish material. It is anti-fingerprint. It does say anti-smudging, but to be honest with you guys, as you can see, if you're looking at the case, there is going to be some smudging, but that is an easy fix with a shirt to wipe down. So it just depends really on how oily your hands are. So, you know, just something to point out, but has this really cool texture and look. But that's the back right there. And then moving to the sides is the same matte black material. The buttons here though are very, very grippy, as when I'm putting my hand up against them, you can see they're raised. They have some teeth in there, easily can be found when you're searching for them. And then, like I said, moving down to the bottom, you can see that reinforced little bumper there on the corners. You have a very generous cutout for the USB-C port and your mic and speakers. And then, of course, nothing on this side. And then at the top, we do have a circular cutout for the mic up top. And then that's kind of that aggressive bump again there that you can see from the top as well. Now looking at the front of the screen, you do have complete 360 protection that is going around the phone screen. So definitely going to help with drop protection there as well. And then that's the look of the cutout for the speaker. So very minimal, but looks good. And it is tempered glass friendly as well, as you can see. So there's the look of the front. There's the back again. So now let's go ahead and do some of our shake tests. So let's go ahead and put it face down first. And let's see how wobbly it is. So there is no wobble at all, which is great. And then the back down, it's probably going to be a different story. So on the sides, really no wobbling, but when you start to get to the front, that's when it starts to shake on us. And that is being open and closed. So just to do it, I'm going to close it so that way you can see it as well. Same thing. So very wobbly on the back. But like I said, who's really pushing down on the corner? You know, really it's usually the sides that people care about. So in that respect. It isn't very wobbly except for the top, almost like a Pixel 6. So now let's go ahead and do that clicky button test. So these buttons look clicky, so let's see if they are. So let's start with the power button first. And volume up and down. All right. Very clicky buttons, guys. Very, very clicky buttons. So next, let's do our standard Qi wireless charging test. So let me slap it on. And as you can see, it instantly recognizes that it is on a Qi wireless charger. So you are able to Qi wireless charge it, and you are also able to do reverse power share and also use Google Pay and Samsung Pay with ease. No issues at all. It's very slim, guys. It feels really good in the hand. I think my only issue would be is that there's not really like any extra grip on the sides. It's all just this like really nice, smooth, matte finish black material here. But at the end of the day, I could see that potentially being maybe a tiny issue depending on how dry your hands are. So it might be a little slippery. But right now it feels very good in the hand. So like I said, it just boils down to kind of ultimately, you know, like I said, like how sweaty your hands are and stuff like that. But for the most part, guys, the case is unique. Being able to slide this and protect the lenses, that's just a cool feature to have. But like I said, there are some pros and cons with cases like this, but I think the pros outweigh the cons, obviously. So there we have it. So if you like this video, guys, like I said, please, please, please hit that like button, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.